Okay, come to
Yes, that's correct.
re-entry 20. Re-entry 20. अगर आपको याद हो तो शुरू में मैंने आपको बताया था कि मुख्तलिफ पार्ट्स होंगे इस यूनिट के, और इसमें एक पार्ट जो था दैट वाज री एंट्री. इट इज एक्चुअली री एंट्री. एंड री एंट्री व्हाट वी डू, यू हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस थिंग्स. इट इज अ काइंड ऑफ रिपीटिशन. जो चीज़ें आपने लर्न की है इस यूनिट के शुरू में, तो यहाँ प्रैक्टिस होगी, अ काइंड ऑफ टेस्ट फॉर यू, कि क्या आपको पता है कि मिसाल के तौर पर यहाँ जो री एंट्री है इट इज अबाउट बी वर्ब और द यूज ऑफ इज, एम एंड आर. तो ये तो ऑलरेडी आपको याद है ना. मिसाल के तौर पर हमारे पास है बी वर्ब, ये इसका बेस फॉर्म है. समझ आ गई बात? इट इज इट्स बेस फॉर्म एंड द फर्स्ट फॉर्म इज देन एम and then are. This one is base form and is first form, am is first form and are is also first form. And you have learned this, that is used with
He, she, it.
which subjects? Yes, he, she, it or any other singular subject. You know this? Okay. Or simply we write that it is used with singular subjects. With singular subject except I. Because with I we use am. Well done. So am is used with only I. Great. And R is used with yeah, we, you and they. And they are actually plural subjects. Got this point? Plural subjects. So now there is an exercise for you. These are blanks and you need to fill these blanks in by the use of either am, is or are. So come to the first sentence. It says, hi, I, Gloria Rivera. So which word or which be verb will be used here?
Am.
Am. Well done. So you just write am after I. So I am Gloria Rivera. Great. Come to second one. This Sam Logan. This is. Why? Because is used with singular subjects.
Yes.
Is used with singular subjects. And here Sam is a singular one. Or this is also a singular demonstrative pronoun. He a mechanic.
He is.
He is. Because he is a singular subject and is used again here. Come to the third sentence and there is, good morning Mr. Man. How are you? Why are is used here?
Because
You subject. With subject you we use plural verb and are is plural. Are you getting my point?
yes.
Come to the last sentence or the last question. This Adila Logan is. And the second one is, she is a homemaker. So you learn the use of these three helping verbs, is, am and are. Is used with singular subjects, am is used with I and are is used with plural subjects. Okay, for example, if I say, come look at me. For example, if I'm talking about this marker, so what will I say?
This
is a marker. This is a marker. Or for example, I'm talking about you. You are students. You are students. For example, I talk about myself. I am a teacher. So is, am and are. Collectively, this is, am and are. It's called be-verb. And these are the first form. These are the first form. And you must know that first form of verbs, they are used in present tense.
Yes.
समझ आ गई बात? प्रेजेंट की बात हम करते हैं ना. मौजूदा जमाने की जब हम बात करते हैं तो वर्ब का कौन सा फॉर्म यूज होगा? फर्स्ट फॉर्म. इज, एम, आर फर्स्ट फॉर्म है. इसका सेकंड एंड थर्ड फॉर्म कौन से है?
Was, were.
वेल डन. वाज एंड वर. और पुख्तो की जान पोए गए चिकलते द मौजूदा वक्त खबर के कना लगे उस पति मौजूदा वक्त की टीचर यम कना न द वर्ब बसोम फॉर्म वायो फर्स्ट फॉर्म न जबोस द जान न पारा द आई सर बजा सवाय मा एम बे एम कना और पति मौजूदा वक्त की जो टीचर यम कना न जब संग मा आई एम अ टीचर या